Hello everyone and welcome back again. So this is the React Native Weather App series. So today we are going to know how to add the swipe to delete functionality in your FlatList. How can we achieve this? Let me show you. So this is our UI. You can see. So when you are swipe from the left to right, so it shows the delete button and then you can delete this item. So let's start with the practical. So for the achieving this task, so we need to add one library. This is the gesture handler. So first I want to show you how to install this library in your project. So this is our library. You can see React Native gesture handler, and then open it, and this is the introduction. You can read it, and after that next, and this is the. So if you have a React Native 78 version, you need to install this version. If you have a lower than 78, so you need to install 2.5 or 2.4. So these are the versions. If you are using the Expo, so just click on the Expo. I'm using the yarn. Just copy and come here and just let me type and just paste it and enter. I already installed this library in my project, and after that we need to wrap our app.js, and this just copy and come here and find your app.js. This is my app.js, and wrap your all route and just add it and import from the gesture handler React Native, and like this you should wrap your route and save it. And you can see we do not have any errors because we already set up. So this is the setup for the Android. You need to add the Android build.gradle. So if you need to set the specific Kotlin version, you need to add this in your React Native Android folder. For the iOS, we do not need anything. We just need only install the port file, and after that you run the project, you can use this library. So I just done these setups. So now we are going to a practical. So this is my app.js. Let me close all the things, and this is my other files. Close it. So let me open my city screen, So first we are going to change this data to the use state. So for that I'm going to cut this. So for that we are going to cut this and just set data and use state, and like this we can define our data in the use state. And after, let me, yes, and after that we need to copy the set data and come here, and first we are going to create a one function name is delete item and pass the ID, and after the const and new data and is equal to data dot filter. We need to add the filter React Native, the JavaScript function filter, like this, and then item dot id or is equal to, as if not is equal to, if it's not, then we can assign the set data and new data to this, like this. So this is the JavaScript filter function we are using. If the item ID is not equal to the ID, we are going to pass that data to the set data, and after that we need to add the function to right to left. So const and just add the function name render right actions. We need to pass the ID item. We need to pass the item and just type return and add the touchable opacity. So just import your touchable opacity and add your text and type the delete, and we need to add the style also. So for the styling, and we need to add the height and moderate scale it's 72, and also background color dot red, and also border radius 20, and we need to add the on press also, on press, and inside the on press we delete item dot id like this, and just copy your render right action function, copy, and come to the React Native FlatList, and this is my render item, and we need to import the swappable from the React Native gesture handler, and this is, and just like this, wrap your all render item of the FlatList, and after that we need to write, and we have also render the right action. So this is our render the right action like this, and just render right action, just pass your item also and save it. So if I swipe to the left side, show the button, you can see the button also like this. And let me come to the button, and we need to align item center and justify content center, and also we need to add the width 72. So like this, if I press the delete, so we delete the all item. Let's see where we make the mistake. So let me reload again, see, and come here. We need to add the key extractor also, key extractor like item, key extractor item dot id. It deleted the whole item. The issue is that, let's see the data we have. This is my data. We do not have an item id, so for that we are going to face this issue. So first we are going to pass the id 1. Let's copy the id and just 2, and we do not pass the id number 3, and then we have a 4. Save it. So now we are going to see the result. Let's swipe and press delete. Yeah, it's working fine like this, you can see. And now we are going to reload the icon. Now we are going to reload and just come to the style. We have the style. Let's see. So let's compare our style to the our real style. So this is our style. We need to add the X, only X button. So this is the X, and just style, and first we are going to add the font family dot bold, and also color dot white, and size also, font size, scale 32 or 24. Let's see the delete button, and do not have any space, so let me add the space also. Margin horizontally, moderate scale 12, and we need to only add the margin horizontally from the left, and just width we need to add the 62, yeah, or 64, and let me increase the size of the height also. Let's see the, so we have a 82 height. Let's copy the 82 height and just come to the height, save it, and like this we can add the swappable, you can see. And when you click to the delete button, it will delete the item of that selected item, you can see. So if I reload it, we see the result. So in this video, I just only add the swipe to delete item. And the next video, we are going to implement the search bar and other things. So see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.